When there is a major drop in the market, something that happens from time to time, the thing that troubles us the most is the uncertainty of whether we should sell the shares we hold or continue holding on to them, right? In that moment, your portfolio value is shrinking and you're already feeling anxious. But on top of that, the information around you becomes noisy and confusing. Some headlines warn that a major crisis is coming. Others say this is a golden opportunity and urge you to buy more. And all of it leaves you feeling even more undecided. So what usually happens? Some people panic sell, locking in losses. Others hold tightly through the stress, unsure of what to do. Even those with mutual funds can't always escape this emotional cycle. If this sounds familiar to you, then I invite you to take a look at the strategy I've built. It's called the EnDo Strategy, a calm, rule-based system designed to protect your balance and grow it steadily without the stress of guessing. Let me show you a real historical example. In 1990, the Nasdaq 100 index dropped sharply, falling by over -34% from its peak in just a few months. Many investors saw their portfolios shrinking rapidly. Some held, some sold, and others didn't know what to do, all while feeling growing stress and uncertainty. But while most people were overwhelmed, my strategy stayed calm. Once the correction began, the strategy didn't freeze or panic. It kept following its rules, entering positions on every bullish daily candle close. Each entry was protected by a stop loss. Most were quickly exited with small controlled losses. That's how the system handled the drop, by staying active but always protecting the account first. And once it finally caught a successful entry, it recovered those earlier losses and began pulling ahead from there. This is one of the core ideas behind the EnDo strategy. A rule-based approach designed for clarity, protection, and long-term growth. In upcoming videos, I'll be sharing all the methods I've studied and tested piece by piece. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like deeper insights or want to support my work, I share more on my Patreon. Thank you for watching.